What's up, what's good, what's happening? It's your girl Queen Asha and I'm back again. If you are new to my channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, that like button, comment and share this video already because you're gonna love it. And what's good to my loyal subbers? As y'all can see, I am in the car. It's like I'm always in a car because I like to do vlogs. But today is a special day with this guy here. Yeah, y'all always see him in the videos every here and now and then again, you know. But he finna take me to somewhere special where I be wanting to go. But no, for real, today is our anniversary. Hey. And we are on the way to boom 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 boom. Things to do in Atlanta. Atlanta is Botanical Gardens. So that's where we're gonna go. We're gonna go see beautiful plants and greenery and scenery. But one other thing, if y'all want to see how I got my hair like this in this fro hawk, a video will be coming soon. Officially made it. Got our tickets.
Thank you very much.
Thank you. I am so excited. They even got beer and wine to serve. Like, this is so cool. I feel fancy. Y'all, looking like I've never been nowhere before. It smells so good out here. Like, it's so much water, but it smells so good. Like honeysuckles. Like, y'all remember when y'all was a kid and y'all used to eat the honeysuckles? Like, well, because I was one of those kids. I just love how they have like so much freaking sitting area. It's like so peaceful and calm, and it's just like a breath of fresh air. They even have a restaurant called Long Leaf Restaurant inside of Botanical Gardens. Oh my gosh. What the heck? Y'all know where it's from, and if you don't know, then you late. When I tell y'all this children's garden is freaking so freaking cool. It is so cool. Like, I feel like a kid again. Whoa. Whoa. The ground is lava, he says. We gotta go. Whoa, whoa. I'm a survivor. I ain't gonna give up. I ain't gonna stop. What's up, Daddy?
See you tomorrow, Margaret!
It's lit up, you guys. Okay, so that was our adventure at Botanical Garden. It was so fun. We only didn't get to see one thing because there was a private event going on, but they had live music. They had a DJ. The music was bumping. People was drunk. You could tell people, we were all having a good time. Like, it's perfect for kids and adults, as y'all can see. If you need something or somewhere to go in Atlanta, Botanical Gardens is the place to go. Like, I think it's different themes. I don't know how often they change them, but it's lit. Like, it's gonna actually start lighting up the things in November. So it's gonna be so pretty. We're gonna try to come during Christmas, maybe. That being said, I enjoyed myself. I hope he enjoyed himself. It was our first time here. Like, it was amazing. Go ahead and wish us a happy anniversary in the comments. You know, been with this guy, my best friend, for 9 years. Dang, know this man half my life. But thanks for tuning in. Go ahead and once again subscribe if you haven't already. Like, comment, share, all of that. And your girl is out. Period. Big dot.